Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let's learn how to write a Python program to check whether given number is an odd or even. So given a number, so you have to check if it is a odd number or a even number using your Python program logic. Yeah, so let's try to solve this using the Python program. So before that, let's try to understand how exactly we are trying to solve it. So even number is a number so which is completely divisible by 2. So that is, if you take a number and if you try to perform the modulus operation by 2, so the remainder will always be 0. That is, remainder equals to 0. So that is a definition of even number. So that's how we are trying to solve it. And definition of odd number, so let's try to write it. So if you take a number, that is, let's take a number, and if you try to divide it by 2, so the remainder will always be 1. So that is a definition of odd number, and this is how we are trying to solve it. So either case, so we can use either this logic or we can use this logic for printing the odd number and this logic for printing a even number. So let's try to use this. So this is the logic we are trying to use for even number, and if it is not, we are just printing it as an odd number. Yeah, so let me delete this. And here given a number, so let's take a variable, that is number, equals, let's use input function call, and here let's ask a user to enter a number. Yeah, so once the user enters a number, so we need to convert it into a integer using type conversion, because return type of input function is a string. So that's the reason we are trying to convert it into a integer. Yeah, so once we get the number, so we have to write a logic for finding out if the number is even or not. So let's take a if statement, and let's take a number, that is a variable, and let's try to completely divide it by 2 and check if the remainder is 0. So this signifies the number is a even number. So let's try to print it. So if the above statement is true, so you have to print it as a even number. Let's say number is even. Else, let's take a else statement, and if the above statement is not true, then it is a odd number. Let's try to print it. Let's say number is odd. Yeah, so this is the complete program to check whether a given number is odd or even. So let me execute this and let me show you how it works. Running the program. So enter a number, so let me give a 0. So you can see 0 is an even number. And again run the main program, and yeah, let me give 2. So 2 is an even number. So now let me give odd number. So let's take 15. Yeah, 15 modulus 2 is equals to 1, so that we already know. So that is a number is odd. Let me run it again. So now let's give something like 100. Yeah, so number is an even. Running again. Let me give number as 101. So you can see number is odd. Yeah, so this is a complete program to check whether a given number is odd or even. Hope you liked it. I'll give the code in the description. That's it in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.